Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Code with PS. Today we are going to solve LeetCode question number 1 to sum. We're going to solve this with a brute force approach. We are going to use two loops, we are going to use two variables I and j. We have to find two such elements such their sum is equal to the target, which is in this case equal to 9. We're going to take our first variable or a pointer to the 11, and we're going to take our next pointer to I plus 1 always. We're going to check is 11 plus 2 is equal to 9, so that in this case is no. So we're going to increment our j to j plus 1, and we're going to check again is 11 plus 7 equal to 9, so that is no. We're going to increment again 11 plus 5 equal to 9, that is also no. Where we have to check every possible pair. Alright, so we're going to increment our I to 2 and j again to I plus 1, which is 7. We're going to check is 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, which is yes. So we're going to return I comma j, that is the index of these element, that is 1 comma 2 in this case. Here is a Python code for you to follow. We're using two loops here for I in range and for j in range. We're always using j from I plus 1 to length of nums, and if nums of I plus nums of j is equal to target, we're going to return I and j. So time complexity of this question is n square, or this approach is n square. We're going to solve the same question in optimal way in next video. Till then, like, share and follow.